Does that permeate your life, Kate? Is that kind of like you manifest something and go and do it? Is that
At
your MO?
first, yes. Like I decide I want to do something and then that's it. It's all in. Like I told him straight up, no one else is buying it. It's mine. And then that's what we did. So we started out when we did finally close, it was December 2023. And then we he had another location in the area and he was a big time landlord. So he has like I don't know, 175 give or take properties in this area, but he lives out of the area. So he's in like one of the Carolinas and we're up here in Pennsylvania. And so we knew eventually that we'd like to get that second one from him, but we kind of weren't sure like are we even going to like this business that we're planning for multiple stores, right? So he told me that he'd sell the building if we were interested, but we figured, okay, let's try out the business, see what we think, and then go from there. So 6 months after we bought the business, we were like, okay, this is for us. We're gonna dive in head first, and we're gonna buy the building. When I called him and had the conversation about purchasing the building for the existing location, which was in Edwardsville, that was our first one. He told me, well, I'm thinking about selling the building for the other laundromat too. So again, I'm like, okay, cool. We want that too. So I call my husband and I'm like, all right, so we're buying two buildings. And he's like, what do you mean two buildings? The laundromat's only in one. And I'm like, yeah, but we're going to get the building for the other laundromat so that we can eventually get that other laundromat. And he's like, I don't want that building. It's terrible. So my husband's like the maintenance portion and he has experience with like property management and maintenance. So he's really good at coming in and looking and he's very mechanically inclined, whereas I'm not. We definitely feed off of each other's strengths. So he was
Yeah.
like, no, I don't like the outside of the way that looks. The steps need to be done for the apartments in the back. Like there's a roof in the front that looks, I don't want that building. And I was like, yeah, so we're going to buy both buildings.
So we're
And
getting two. Yeah.
two for one. Not really. We had to pay separately, but
Yeah. Right. Right.
so we dove in, we bought that, and then about 4 months after that, he actually said to me, "Kate, I want to get the other laundromat," and I was like, "Whoa, we got a lot going on right now, though. We were less than a year into the first business, and then only a few
Okay.
months into having the rentals, which we had experience. My husband's a property manager, so he has experience with rentals, and we've had prior rentals, so that part wasn't a big deal." But I was like, I don't know, having two is definitely different than having one. Like, what are we gonna do? He's like, I don't care. We're gonna figure it out. So he like we kind of flipped the script there because then he was like,
Yeah.
okay, let's dive in head first. And then I was like, okay, let's do it. So now we have two, and we own both the buildings that they're in, which is nice because that gives you like those tax advantages and things like
Yeah.
that.